Well guys, this is a new video for me and not one I hoped I would ever have to do. But this is the front of my shop here. So we got my 3D print everything sign. We got the makerspace on the other side, and these are our doors. And you know, we were kind of running out of room, and this was something that was built on the inside, but they're kind of rigid, so we don't use them too much. So we brought these out here, and one of our members found this on the side of the road, so she brought this up here. And we had, you know, these on the inside here, so we brought them to the outside. But clearly someone yesterday did not like one of my pots, and it looks like they literally kicked it all the way down the block here. So I already kind of investigated this before the photo, but yeah, I walked all the way down here and the pot was like right about here. But it didn't stop there, even though the pot was torn into pieces and was there. You can still see more dirt, more dirt. The plants were literally out here. So I don't know who got so angry that they had to pick up Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's face, smash it on the ground, and then kick it all the way down here. I mean, I'm assuming, I don't know exactly what it was, but I mean, look, you can see the potting soil right here, you know, and then there's more potting soil, and I don't even know where half the plants went. The pot was of, you know, a decent size. I had like 5 succulents in it, and I could only find 2, so I don't know what in the heck possessed someone to what they were thinking. They could just walk in front of my shop and take a little potted succulent plant and just tear it to pieces and kick it all down the block, making a huge mess for everyone. Like, what? Just why? Like, how can you be such a non-functioning member of society to want to tear up somebody's shit? And like, more than just tearing up someone's stuff, like a plant. Like, the plant didn't do anything to you. This thing is alive. Like, I get ripping up weeds, but like, this is just innocent little succulents in pots, and they want to tear it to pieces. It gets to me. I mean, I don't know. I care about things that are living. I mean, I don't like, there's dirt here. It was right here. How do you do this? I mean, they literally must have just like smacked it and then just started kicking it or something. I don't understand, but I mean, I only have that camera up there, but it's pointed a little bit more towards the vehicle, so at best, maybe I got their head, maybe not, but I'm gonna be getting, I don't know, probably 2 more of those for out front here, because that's just, that's so lame. I'm gonna see if I can get into the camera system. It hasn't been as reliable as I had hoped. It's just, I think I forgot the password to log in or something, so I gotta log in. But I'm gonna figure this out, because that's not cool, guys. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I can't imagine anybody watching this video would have the mindset to just walk by somebody's business and tear it up. But yeah, see, maybe I'll be able to get it. I know the time frame. Aaron said he went home at 11 and noticed the dirt out there, but didn't think about it. And I left at about 6. So it's literally a 3-hour period. And it wasn't even like 1 in the morning or super late. It was like 7 to 10 o'clock. Someone just decided to walk by and destroy a plant. And I mean, maybe they just wanted one of the succulents in it, and they did it. I think I'm missing a couple of succulents. I'm not even sure. I hadn't really taken a big count of them, but that's just not cool. So anyways, that's what I started. I'm sure the rest of the day will be much better. Yesterday was a great day. I hope you have a great day, guys. Don't let this video or you know, bum me out. It's just, yeah, look, this is the pot. I mean, this is, oh, I dropped the chair there, but yeah, this is what they did to it. I mean, look at this pot had multiple plants. It was full. And this is all I found. Lame. Anyways, have a good day, guys. I hope I can see something. If not, I'll get a camera so that I can. But yeah, not cool.